This is a dictionary, and this is mathematics. What if we combine these two together? Hello everyone, my name is Linel Mika Iagabao from Grade 10 Aquamarine, and for today I will present my version of Mathematics Dictionary. According to Google, a dictionary is a book or electronic resource that lists the words of a language, typically in alphabetical order, and gives their meaning or gives the equivalent words in a different language, often also providing information about pronunciation, origin, and usage. So in my mathematics dictionary, I will also list the words down in alphabetical order, and I will give their definition, pronunciation, and also some examples. So without further ado, let's get started.
A is for addition. Addition. Addition is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic, the other three being subtraction, multiplication, and division. The addition of two whole numbers results in the total amount or sum of those values combined. For an example, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 is the sum of those values combined. B is for brackets. Brackets. In mathematics, brackets serve a very important purpose. These symbols help us group different expressions or numbers together. Brackets imply that the thing or expression enclosed by them is to be given higher precedence over other things. In math, you will often have to use brackets while creating or solving equations. They help in grouping numbers and defining the order of operations. Generally, three kinds of brackets are used in mathematics. First is the parenthesis or round brackets, second, the curly or brace brackets, and third, square or box brackets. In this example, the bracket emphasizes that the quantity 3 plus 2 needs to be added first before multiplying it to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. C is for circle. Circle. A circle is a round-shaped figure that has no corners or edges. In geometry, a circle can be defined as a closed shape, two-dimensional shape, or curved shape. This is an example of a circle. D is for division. Division. Division is the opposite of multiplication. The main goal of dividing is to see how many equal groups are formed or how many are in each group when sharing fairly. In the above example, to divide 12 donuts into 3 similar groups, you will have to put 4 donuts in each group. So, 12 divided by 3 will give the result of 4. E is for exponent. Exponent. Exponent is a raised figure or symbol that shows how many times a quantity must be multiplied by itself. In this example, 5 raised to 2, the base is 5 and the exponent is 2. It just means 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, therefore 5 raised to 2 is also 25. F is for fraction. Fraction. Fraction represents the part of a whole or collection of objects. 1/2 or 1/2 is an example of fraction. G is for geometry. Geometry. Geometry is the branch of mathematics that deals with the measurements and relationships of lines, angles, surfaces, and solids. H is for hexagon. Hexagon. Hexagon is a flat shape with 6 straight sides and 6 angles. This is an example of hexagon. I is for integer. Integer. An integer is a Latin word that means whole or intact. Integers include all whole numbers and negative numbers without fractions and decimals. J is for joule. Joule. Joule is a unit of energy or work. K is for kilogram. Kilogram. A kilogram is the standard unit of mass in the International System of Units. Kilo means 1,000 and kilogram means 1,000 grams. The symbol of the kilogram is kg. In some situations, we can say, I need 2 kilograms of rice, the fish weighs 3 kilograms, and or I weigh 58 kilograms. L is for line. Line. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure that does not have a thickness, and it extends endlessly in both directions. It does not have any endpoint. The 2 arrows at each end signify that the line extends endlessly and is unending in both directions. The length of a line cannot be measured. M is for multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication is one of the 4 basic arithmetic operations, alongside addition, subtraction, and division. In math, multiply means the repeated addition of groups of equal sizes. For an example, 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. Since multiplication is just repeated addition, we can get the answer by adding 10 3 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10. It will still give us the answer 30. N is for number. Number. A number is an arithmetic value used to represent quantity. A number is a mathematical concept used to count, measure, and label. It is also the basis of mathematics. For an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on are examples of number. O is for odd number. Odd number. Odd number is a number which is not divisible by 2. An odd number always ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. For an example, 29 is an odd number while 28 is not. P is for product. Product. A product in math is defined as the result of 2 or more numbers when multiplied together. For an example, again, 10 times 3. The answer is 30. The answer is what we call the product. Q is for quotient. Quotient. Quotient is the number we obtain when we divide one number by another. For an example, 12 divided by 6. The quotient is 2. R is for reciprocal. Reciprocal. It is turning the number upside down or interchanging the numerator and denominator. For an example, 3 over 5. The reciprocal of the fraction 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. S is for sum. Sum. When we add 2 or more numbers, the result or the answer we get can be defined as the sum. In this example, 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 is our sum. T is for triangle. Triangle. A triangle is a closed, two-dimensional shape with 3 sides, 3 angles, and 3 vertices. U is for unit. Unit. Unit is the known quantity which is used in measurement. V is for vertex. Vertex. Vertex is a point on a polygon where the sides or edges of the object meet or where 2 rays or line segments meet. W is for whole number. Whole number. Whole number is a collection of all natural numbers and 0. X is for x-intercept. X-intercept. The x-intercept is a point where the graph of a function or a curve intersects with the x-axis of the coordinate system. Take a look at this example. 2 is the x-intercept. Y is for y-intercept. Y-intercept. On a graph, the y-intercept is the point where the line intersects at the y-axis. In this plane, -4 is the y-intercept. Z is for 0. 0. 0 is the number that represents no amount or no objects. 0 is represented by the symbol 0.